One of the biggest organizing struggles that I see parents have when I'm listing a home is what to do with the superfluous amount, yes, superfluous amount of stuffed animals. I mean, don't get me wrong, we all have our favorites. Here I am, 40 years old, and I still have my Cabbage Patch doll and my AG bear. Most people don't hoard them like I do. They instead put them on eBay. By the way, a Cabbage Patch doll only goes for about $9, whereas an AG bear, if you have one too, has about a $100 price tag on it. Most parents, however, are not talking about one or two animals. They are talking about tens, if not hundreds, of dolls and animals. Here are the top 3 ways to get those things off of your floor and into some kind of organizational system. Coming in way number 3, using bungee cords to create one of these adorable little boxes. You can also use elastics or bungee cords in nooks in a child's bedroom or on shelves. So that way animals can be thrown on in and they're not going to go anywhere. Coming in at number 2, a very inexpensive approach is just snagging some of those shoe organizers, hanging those up in a closet, and that can easily organize your child's stuffed animals as well. And lastly, at number 1, I love this idea. Bean bags, but they're empty inside and you can put blankets and stuffed animals in them. Easy storage, looks great, and also provides some extra seating. Word to the wise though, my son also uses that to hide his dirty laundry. So make sure you personally give it a peek inside every once in a while. That is my top 3, and if there's anything you need, you know that my team and I are always here and happy to help.